This next unit that we are spending time on, we are going to focus on vocabulary related to the United Nations Global Goals for Sustainable Development. So those 17 things y'all just spent some time learning about. So we are going to continue exploring vocabulary and concepts related to the UN Global Goals and issues in our world. To just keep building our knowledge, you're going to build a personal dictionary to contain and organize your new knowledge and to use as a future resource later on in the year. The skill that we are working on is a literacy skill, and so you are going to be acquiring and using academic and domain-specific vocabulary in writing. So basically, you're going to be getting new vocab, understanding it, and then starting to try and use it and implement to just understand that context and build that understanding. To be proficient at that skill, so to be proficient at being able to gather, understand, and use new vocab, it's right here in green. I can learn and correctly use academic and domain-specific vocabulary in writing or speaking. And then if you look below, we have kind of that same skill, that same level of, hey, I can do this, written for the Global Goals Dictionary. So that looks like I can define my vocabulary words and use them in a sentence or description, and I can connect my vocabulary words to a resource about the global goals. Learning targets involved in this, so the things that kind of build up to that level of, hey, I can do this skill, I can get this vocab, I can define vocabulary words, I can use vocabulary words in a piece of writing, I can connect vocabulary words to larger concepts and contexts. Learning activities that we will do, we will work on vocab, we will work on getting context through different resources for the global goals, and you're creating your global goals dictionary. There are some extension activities where you can just keep pushing the research a bit further, so gathering information a bit further, or creating adaptable or accessible versions of your global goal dictionary.